Hello, y'all. So today I was at my local Walmart. There's actually a video of me at the alarm section I got earlier, and I wasn't expecting to come home with this. A Kidde p4010 ACS-WF, all for $29.63 on clearance from $80. So I'm gonna oh yeah. Scan here to learn more about this product. I might try that later tonight. 2022. That's not that long ago. Let me see if I can actually get this off, open without any scissors. Alright. Yep. Got it. Now, this should be fairly easy from here. One more. Now it should open. Pop open. There we go. Kidde. Smoke alarm with smart features. p4010 ACS-WF. Quick start guide. Owner's manual. Please see manual. Questions with setting up garbage. Mounting plate. Wiring harness. And the alarm itself. I'm gonna block off the QR code in case I plan to connect this to the Wi-Fi. 2022, December 15th. This is old. Take that little ninja ring, I think you could call that. Ninja thing off. Alright, I'm gonna use use the bracket to activate it now. Alright. Come on. I hate these brackets, man. Hang on, I'll be right back. Alright, I got a screwdriver bit, so I think this should do the trick. Yep. Let's test it.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2.
As always, it has the granny voice.
Fire.
Sweet.
Test complete.
Alright. Hopefully y'all like this video. I will see y'all soon.